Welcome to Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Shegaon. Shegaon is a city and municipal council in Buldhana district in the Indian state of Maharashtra. Shegaon city is placed by Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj and have emerged very swiftly into a known place for education. Shegaon can be described as a Pandharpur of Vidarbha. Thousands of devotees pay their respect at the Samadhi every Thursday, which is regarded as a special day. The government of Maharashtra bestowed upon Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj Sansthan the trust to start an engineering college in the year 1983. Thus came up Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Shegaon on 13th August 1983 in a rented premises. What we see today is the pious and sincere efforts of all stakeholders during the last 30 years journey of this college under the able stewardship of Sri Shiv Shankar Bhau Patil.
Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Shegaon was established in 1983 by Sri Gajanan Shikshan Sanstha, Shegaon. It is affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati and recognized by AICTE, New Delhi. SSGMC has recognition to be an accredited institute by NBA, New Delhi and NAC, Bangalore. For more than 30 years, it has successfully nurtured young Indians in engineering and managerial professionals for the betterment of society and humanity as a whole. SSGMC offers 5 undergraduate engineering courses and 5 PG courses. The institute provides facilities for the pursuit of excellence and academically suitable climate of the scholarship in terms of curriculum and curricular performance of students. SSGMC has excellent physical facilities in the form of residential and academic buildings, library, laboratories, equipment, gymkhana, sports, etc. of its own spread over neat and clean 80 acres campus. Due to the globalization, technology is changing rapidly, and to cope up with the rapid changes, SSGMC has its own dedicated research center, Sri Gajanan Invention and Advanced Research Center, SGIARC. The institute has its unique central library spread over 22,000 square feet and having a capacity to occupy 400 students at a time. Library is having 28,120 titles, 80,224 books, 3,005 electronic information collection, 664 bound volumes projects, and large subscription of international and national journals with 502 online access journals with a total expenditure worth of rupees 2.34 crores.
Welcome to Department of Business Administration and Research, Shegaon. The Department of Business Administration and Research was established as the first postgraduate department of Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering in the year 1994 to impart 2-year full-time postgraduate degree course of Master of Business Administration with prior approval from AICTE, New Delhi and affiliation to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, Maharashtra to meet the need for the management education in rural India. The focus here is on learning and growth through collective wisdom. This has resulted in ranking of department thrice under A grade by Business India magazine in its Best B School Survey 2010, 2011 and 2012 consecutively. Also A++ grade by Go Education Survey 2012-13. Here in the department, we start our everyday with universal prayer. On every Thursday, we start our day with praying our divine source of inspiration, Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj. Department is having its own departmental library. Departmental computer lab. Consistently excellent academic result in university. We are the first management institute in Vidarbha accredited thrice by NBA New Delhi. We are the first management institute in Vidarbha having ISO certificate. We are the first management institute in Vidarbha accredited by NAC Bangalore. 100% individual placement of students. MOU with MSME DI Nagpur. MOU with De Montfort University UK. Ranked under A grade by Business India B School Survey. Ranked under grade A++ by Go Getter magazine. All the activities and events are organized in our department under the head of Business Administration and Research Student Association Barsa. Barsa organizes 2 national level events every year.
Summer internship is an integral part of MBA program to offer to its participants hands-on experience of real-life managerial situation. Prakalp Kriti is a national level competition of projects based on summer internship of MBA participants.
Parishriti is another national level event organized in our department. It is a cultural program made by the efforts of the students. It focuses on student interpersonal skills and competitions like ethnic dress competition, paper presentation, movie mania, AdMat show, tree plant competition, singing and dancing competition are arranged. We hope this presentation has given you a basic understanding about college and department information. For any other information, feel free to contact us.